is financial closing cockpit for the opening and closing periods. Okay, I mean, when it comes to the demo systems and all, financial closing cockpit will be ready. Okay, already they have pre-installed each and every option for the every month ending activity or year ending activity. Now we have changed. Okay, within 20 minutes only that should be run. That means within 5 o'clock before the month, before the ending period. Okay, on that particular time, 5 o'clock, evening 5 o'clock. Okay, foreign currency revaluation should be run. If you run the foreign currency revaluation after 5 o'clock, system will not going to run it. Okay, so that is our main scenario. Then the correct order of steps configuration within the SAP financial closing cockpit is we need to create the template and we need to create the tasks and we need to create the dependencies and we need to create the task list and we need to release the task list. You got my point, right, all of you? So now you have seen all these task list. Now what we need to do, give slash in. So you have SAP Easy Access Cross Application Component and SAP S/4HANA Financial Closing Cockpit. Then you have to go for the FCL OCOT, that is Financial Closing Cockpit Preparation. You got my point, right, all of you? Execute it, ma'am. Execute it. Okay, and after that in screen, click on Open option. Click on Open option and select your MAL2 month end and go to the Continue option. No. What you need to do is give slash in. I will show you. Come back. You have to select your date. Okay, based on the date only you are running, right? That is month ending or year ending closings and all. Okay, open and collapse this or else expand this MAL2 MONEND. Expand it. So you have the date, right? Select the date and continue it. So based on the dates, it will going to run all of you. So that is the thing that I wanted to clear. Go to the continue option. Okay, now you can able to collapse it. Each and everything. I mean, expand it. That means expand the controlling area, expand the company code, and expand the preparatory closing for closing task set period end. Now what you need to do is whatever the preparations, I mean whatever the customizations that you need to do is you have to have the display or edit option. Select display or edit option. Go up, select display or edit option. Yes, go to the S option. Click on S. Now what you need to do is, ma'am, open the financial accounting. Open the financial accounting. Now you can just select the open new posting period, that is customer account vendors or account GL accounts and all. Customer account will be do it and select the open items for vendor account, customer account and GL account. Or else double click on it. You can able to see the task details and all. Okay, in the financial things and all, you can able to see the task details and all. Okay, so here under this financial accounting of for closing tasks at period end. So you have seen the opening new posting periods, that is a customer account or vendor account or GL account, anything. OK, so what you need to do is right click on the opening new posting periods. Left side right click on. Yes, ma'am. And go to the edit option. And click on edit. See, in this screen, you have got an option to create a variant. OK, to create a variant. What is that variant? Now click on change variant button, ma'am. Click on change variant button. No variant specified, huh? OK, continue it. So what we need to do is it is showing variant option and it is not giving any details. But what we need to do is we do have the create option, and after that you have create option, right? Hmm. Go to the create option. No variant specified, huh? Go to the continue option, ma'am. Why the no variant has been specified? Go to the drop down option, ma'am. Go to the drop down option. Drop down it. No. Go to the drop down. Why it is not giving anything? That is the program only. See, we have got an option to create a variant. Why it is not giving? Click on change variant, ma'am. Click on change variant. Okay, continue it. And give the name as variant name as. Give the variant name as ZO pen OPEN P period. No. ZO only. ZO PEN P period. No. P another P. I mean, for our identification only, we are giving period. Now you need go for the create option, ma'am. Go for the create option. Now it will ask you. No. Program RFE is no longer supported. Please use program RF OB 5200. Exit, ma'am. Why it is not supported? Go to the preparation option. Go to the preparation option. Open and collapse it and 31st.03.2023. Go to the continue. Open the control area and controlling company codes, closing financial accounting, and select it. Right click on it and go to the edit option. Go to the display or change option, ma'am. Go up. There is a display or change option. Do it. Yes. And right click on open new posting periods and all. Go to the edit option. Why the program is not go to the program name. Go to the drop down option. So this thing is not open. Come down. So they are asking for the RB and all. Come down. Down, complete down. Drag it to the downside. And we need to have one thing. So, okay, you do one thing, remove it, no issue. And just give the name as, give just variant name, go to the variant name, give the variant name, set open period. Go to the create option. Give me 1 second. See, in demo system, we will going to get like this. No worries. Okay. Remove it, ma'am. Remove it. No, 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 not the exit. Remove it. Okay. Go to the preparation once again. Go to the open and open this MAL2 MONEND. Go to the select option. Go to the continue option. Controlling area, company code, and financial closing task set period end and financial account, and then go to the edit option. Go up and select and edit. Yes, and now edit it. No need to have responsible or processor. That means already you have in your own template, right? Okay, no issue. And it is asking for the program name. What is that program name? RFOB 5200. Go to the program name. RF. What is that thing? RFOB 5200. 5200. Go to the continue option. Select it. FI application. Right. Now give the variant name. Now give the variant name. Go to the create option, ma'am. Go to the create option. Yes. Now it is supporting, right? Now it is supporting each and every details. Select your own, yes, posting period variant. No, 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 no. It should not give like this. Why it is not giving the, see, you will going to get the options like report RFOB 5200 variant is opened, but okay, you do one thing. So you can enter from period is enter, ma'am. Enter from period is sorry. Enter account type as place. Account type as place. That is valid for all accounting types. Yes, continue. Come down. From period is 1 and from physical year is from period is 1. From period interval 1 is 1. From physical year is 12. Sorry, 2024. 2 period is 12. 2 period is 12 and 2 fiscal year is 2025. 25. Okay. And in the period 2, you can able to enter 13 special posting periods are 1-3, and from fiscal year is 2024, and 2 period is 13. From period is 13. From fiscal year is 2024, and 2 period is 16, and 2 fiscal year is 2025. So once you are done with this program, what we need to do is go to the attributes. Go to the click on attributes, go up. Yes. Then save the details with the description, ma'am. That is variant name. See, all of you, when you go to the transaction code SC38, you have variant or you have program name, right? So based on that program name, you will going to enter your variant name. That is Z open period. See that. That is our choice, all of you. You can able to create our own variant names also. OK, so when it comes to the description, you have Z opening periods and all. OK, so I mean, when you go to this attribute, you can able to have the details of the descriptions, posting period. No. Remove this description. Just give your posting description. That is posting period for closing. Posting periods for closing. Then you have one product variant. OK. Select your product variant here. Product variant. Select it. Product variant. OK. So this is the way you can able to do it with your own variant. OK. Then go to the save button, ma'am. Save it. So see, all of you, your variant has been saved. OK. Your variant has been saved. Come back. Come back one step back. See here. What you need to do is you just enter planned offset days is -1 and planned start date is same 17 colon 00:00 and time zone is IST. I mean Indian time zone 17:00:00 and time zone is your. No, go to the India. No, go to the drop down option. Every time you need to go to the drop down option for the variants. OK, so they need to take any suggestion values and all. Yes. Now go to the save 30 minutes. You can change the time also 20 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. That is your choice. OK. Then click on continue. We use it for month ending. We use it for year ending closings and all. OK, so now go to the save button and save it. That's it. Save the details. OK, so this task list has been saved, right? So double click on open posting things and all, and you will going to get the task and task IDs. So see, all of you. So opening posting periods and SAP usage, that is S for user 116 user, and responsible name is. So you can have the dependencies of all these details. So not the dependencies, task details that we have. OK, so this is the way you can able to do the preparation. You got my point? This is the way you can able to do the preparation.